welcome to Perfect Women, India's first talking magazine with me, Dr. Kushi Gurubai Thakkar. And this is like for the first time I'm going live in Zoom. So my guest for today is Lamia Siraj, and she's all set to join with us. I'm super excited to have her on my room. So now let's get connected. Lamia ji, I wish to see you. Can I have you?
Hi.
Yeah, welcome. I can see you. Yeah. Hi, Lamia ji. Tell me now, you're an author, entrepreneur. So now tell me something about you.
Something about me, I can just define myself in one simple line: simple living and high thinking.
That's wonderful. But see, it's very important for all of us to have that spiritual thought in us, because you have been writing, you have been giving your space and time for certain magazines. I've just went through, just scrolling your profile. So like you being out of and indulge it in completely in a profession. He said it's all about penning down an author. So what made you to get into all these things? Did you ever thought that as a child I'm going to be one day an author, I would write some scripts, or I'll be into the world of pens? Like how did it started altogether?
Well, writing was my hobby since childhood, but that was just scribbling. I never thought it as a profession. In school time, yes, we used to write poems, stories. I never thought. Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, okay. I thought the connection got lost.
I was just listening. See, listening
Yeah.
in, it's very important for us to understand, unless and until I give that patience for
Yes,
you.
yes.
I'm quite pleased bear for it, because I want to understand more about you and your profession.
Okay, so writing was something, yes, I have done during my school time. But then profession wise, I was with, I'm a commerce graduate, I'm an MBA, and I was working with bank. Due to some medical issues, I went through a surgery, and I was on bed rest for around 2 months. That time, that time actually what helped me a lot was my diary and my pen. I took my pen at that time in my hand and I started writing. I wrote for, just a small article in a magazine. Then I wrote for the newspaper. Yes, Alhamdulillah, it got published, and then it went on and on and on. Then I got opportunities, I got calls. I have participated in various anthologies. Right now, I am an author in the Scribe online magazine portal since last 1.5 year, Alhamdulillah. And this is my second book, I can say that, but my first debut novel.
One Stop Ahead. So what exactly is the theme behind One Stop Ahead?
One step ahead is true life incidences, you can say inspirational, motivation, challenging, day-to-day life. What we come across, the difficulties, I can say that. So how positively we can handle and overcome them.
That is something very true, because like when we talk about positivity, so in this pandemic entire globe has been suffering, and we've been going through many ups and downs. Many lost their loved ones, many lost their jobs, and there was a lot of you can say hinge for commercial ways also. So people went into depression because of the financial crisis, I must say.
Yes.
So for them, what is yours? See, you have been writing is not just about taking a pen, it's a deep thought altogether. So if I ask you, what's your advice for everyone specifically suffering from that depression?
I can say it's a mind game. See, it is about your mind. You have to train your mind. We are surrounded by negativity now, especially because of this pandemic, because of the virus, because of the COVID. There is no one who has not been hurt. We have to take that positivity and we have to go ahead with that.
Absolutely, 100%. So now, since today you're my perfect woman, talking about you, like you tell me how's your life been, how's your pandemic been, and what are something like your lessons that you learned from life?
Lessons, I think life itself is a learning process. We every day learn something new out of it. Pandemic, my biggest lesson was, where we are content in our life, satisfied in our life, but it made me understand that we can survive with the minimals. Before pandemic, it was like we need it or we don't need it, we require it or we don't require it, but things we just keep on gathering and gathering.
Absolutely.
Then be it materialistic things or unmaterialistic things. But pandemic, 1 year sitting at home, I understood, and somewhere I am being very positive now that I can survive with the least.
Right, absolutely. That's wonderful. So you talking about you, like since you have been into multitasking, you have been, see, writing needs a lot of patience, lot of space, lot of time. It's not like other professions, I must say. So how do you balance your life and your career all together?
Well, balancing is something, I'm an Libran. So people say, the people who read the zodiac sign and all say, okay, we are the born balanced zodiac sign.
Okay.
That alhamdulillah, it's a good thing that I have very supportive husband, I have a supportive daughter, I'm surrounded with good friends over here in UAE, in Abu Dhabi, so manage ho jata hai. People know me now, my friends know me, that I am into this writing. A lot of my time goes into my thinking process. At times I go aloof, but they give me that space happily.
Yes, absolutely. This is very important because the successful person is always because of the family's strength and support. And since you said it's all because of your family, your children, your husband. So it's very important for all the women out there. So when talking about women empowerment, I know people, many of them, the only point is, okay, I want to do a lot of things, but it's like I'm unable to speak to my family. I cannot say to my husband. So what's your message for all those women who have the caliber to do something, to achieve their goals, but the only point they step back is they are unable to speak to their family, they are unable to convey the message what's in your heart to their loved ones. So what is your say for them?
The first and foremost thing is you have to speak to yourself. You have to speak to your heart.
Absolutely.
You have to listen to your heart, to your ideas, to your thoughts. Once you are convinced, then I think it is not very much difficult to convince your loved ones, your family. If you put it across in a positive way, in a proper manner, I'm sure everyone will be convinced.
That's amazing. So now you tell me one thing, when are we expecting you in India?
Inshallah, in December. We are planning to come in December, but as you know, international flights, borders, a lot of rules and regulations.
Absolutely, absolutely. So now,
so we are hoping.
That's wonderful. So just tell me something about, like you are writing a book. You're an author by profession. And I know many youngsters who, because we've been in the same field, I run a publication. So again, it's always almost similarities go ahead. So I know many children, many interns who wants to write, but they don't know exactly how to go about it. Since you are in professional by author, so what's your advice for other people's, other youngsters who wants to be something like you?
The first and foremost thing again here is you should not stop. Practice. What I say is learning. Practice. You have to do it on a continuous basis. एक line लिखो, आप एक paragraph लिखो, you start with 100 words. Gradually आप उसे increase करो, एक target दो अपने आप को, and definitely लिखना, ideas is something they flow in, but at time एक full stop आता है. So give some time to yourself, to your thinking process at that point of time, but come back again. एक भी दिन खाली मत जाने दो. Write something, because mind will never go idle. Agar aap, you want to write something, you will definitely have ideas. Creative mind is always working, right? It is working. I believe it is working in our sleep also. It is up to us प्रायोरिटाइजिंग थिंग्स, आप अपने प्रोफेशन को अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ को कैसे प्रायोरिटी देते हो, यू कैन टेक टाइम आउट लाइक दैट.
So true. That's commendable. 100% I believe into this. And dear, since you are all about it, like you say, you started you writing, you are into this. So if I ask you, what are your basic forte, and what subjects you prefer to cover? What are those specific theme about your writing skills?
Well, when I sit and when I write, actually it's not that कि मुझे इसी पे concentrate करना है या मुझे particularly इसी पे लिखना है, but what I now understand is my pen automatically writes for positivity. जो भी टॉपिक जहां पे भी मुझे नेगेटिविटी नजर आता है, एक डिबेट अपने आप शुरू होता है बिटवीन माय हार्ट एंड माय माइंड. एंड देन आई ट्राई टू ऑब्जर्व जो हमारे आसपास होते हैं, जो लोग बात करते हैं, उनके एक्सपीरियंसेस. So that automatically comes on paper. I write a lot about depression. I write a lot about mental health. I write a lot about how you can stay positive, how you can take your life forward in a successful way. I will not say how you can become successful. No. आप अपनी लाइफ को आगे कैसे सक्सेसफुल बना सकते हैं in a positive way.
Yes, that's amazing. So dear, I would like to know something about, nothing comes easy for anyone. So is for you also, I feel like. So there, what are the challenges that you found in your life to reach at the piece where are you today?
Challenges where again when I started writing, this is a vast ocean. मुझे ये बहुत जल्दी पता चल गया कि writing itself is a vast ocean. Not everyone is into writing, but जो लोग भी writing में है ना, एक I feel personally they are lacking little knowledge about what you want to write, how you want to take it forward, what is your goal. Like एक goal set नहीं है, बस I have seen many people जो बस भाग रहे हैं, क्या टारगेट है, क्या अचीव करना है, डोंट नो. जंपिंग, ये भी करना है, वो भी करना है, एंथोलॉजीज में भी पार्टिसिपेट करना है, खुद की बुक भी लिख लेना है, न्यूज़पेपर में भी लिखना है, कंटेंट राइटिंग भी करना है. नो, it is not the way one can go forward like this. This is a vast ocean, but again there has to be a specialization. You will have to understand what you are good at. You are good at content writing, you are good at narrating the stories, you are good at ideas जो आपके आते हैं. You have to first think about them, then you have to decide, and then and basically what I feel is once you have written something, you read it at least 10 times before sending it across. The wrong message, the wrong language, the wrong statement should not go to everyone.
I agree to this 100%. So yeah, now tell me something about you, like if not an author, if not a writer, what you would have been?
On a personal level, I am a fitness freak. I love exercising. I love going out. I love traveling. So अगर मैं writing में नहीं होती तो ये दो चीज तो मैं जरूर कर रही होती, कि मैं घूम रही होती दुनिया और उस पे blogging कर रही होती.
That's wonderful. That's again sounds very interesting.
Yeah, for sure मैं fitness trainer बनी होती.
That is again. तो इसका मतलब we can also hear a new book coming on fitness now.
Inshallah.
Yeah, fitness is very important these days, and like the right guidance. And since you have done the PhD in your you can say R&D, so 100% I'm sure about
Yes.
it. The book that comes out from you would be something very interesting and with a proper knowledge, because knowledge
Inshallah.
is caring. So 100% है कि हम आपकी वो बुक बहुत ही जल्दी, और शायद से मैं रिव्यू करूंगी आपकी बुक अभी.
Inshallah, definitely. Yes, I have already started working on for my next project, but देखते हैं क्या आता है, because at times when I'm writing, my writing surprises me. I share a secret with you that many people have asked me, but this is something when I write, जब मैं लिख रही होती हूँ ना, there is always a fight. An author is writing and I'm an avid reader myself. So I read. एंड जब मैं रीड करती हूँ ना, तो कुछ लाइक इफ आई कैन अज्यूम, या मुझे पता, इफ आई कैन, माई माइंड नोज कि इसके आगे यही होने वाला है, आई चेंज द प्लॉट. सो मेरे लिए राइटिंग और डिफिकल्ट है, बिकॉज आई एम एन ऑथर एंड अ रीडर माई सेल्फ फॉर माई वर्क.
Wow, that's amazing. That's very important. So, as we say that you have to be a seller before buying.
Yes.
Yeah, so that is something very important when you step into any profession, unless and until you gain that. And proofreading is very important, because it should not be any a small mistake can go ahead to any different, you can say, understandings to people who have been reading it. So it is again one of the very important thing. Our aapki books, something is all about giving, spreading knowledge.
Yes.
मैंने जानता है आपका forte is all about putting your own thoughts towards the positivity to the readers. It gets into the roots. It brains को proper तरीके से train किया जाए, ताकि जो बंदा पढ़ रहा है he gets into a right path. So again,
Yes.
you are a giver, I must say. I was supposed to ask you, okay, what are your hobbies? Like, because it's all about reading. So what exactly is...
No. My hobbies, actually, मैंने आपसे पहले ही कहा, I love traveling. मुझे ट्रैवल करना पसंद है, दुनिया घूमना पसंद है, न्यू प्लेसेस, एंड द प्लेसेस आई बिलीव शुड बी, आई एम अ नेचर लवर. सो अगर आप मुझे चॉइस देंगे कि मॉल जाना है या फिर बीच के पास जाना है, तो आई विल प्रीफर द बीच ऑलवेज. दैट विल बी माय फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी. क्राउडेड नहीं होना चाहिए. So hobbies is my yes, reading. Then I love music. Music सुनना मुझे पसंद है. Movies या digital बोलते हैं जो है, वो थोड़ा limited है मेरा. But apart from this, I love spending time with my daughter. Creative things करना उसके साथ, painting करना, chatting करना, hearing to her stories. I love all this.
And that is, I was supposed to be asking my next question, because these days we see everything has come up to a digital world. And probably as even for me, like getting into the Zoom is like we people are like old school people. So itna technology में हम लोगों ने अपने आप को अभी तक इंडल्ज नहीं किया हुआ है. So what is your say for this? Because technology का रोल किस हिसाब से आप उसको justify करेंगे?
जस्टिफाई में तो बस इतना है कि यस, नाउ इट हैज बिकम द डिजिटल वर्ल्ड. सो हमको इसमें एंटर होना ही है, हमको इसे सीखना ही है. न्यू टेक्नोलॉजीज वी हैव टू लर्न. But then it is not that we just keep on, spending our time doing that only. Movies ही देखना है, series ही देखना है. No. Right. जितना होना चाहिए उतना ही होना चाहिए. Because ये comparison तो आए दिन हमारे घर में भी होता है. तारक मेहता, मिस्टर बीड़े हमारे जमाने में.
Right. So true.
Yeah, this happens. Like आज के जो kids है, वो तो मोबाइल हाथ में लेके they are born with the mobile in the hand. They are born, absolutely. They 2 साल के बच्चों को भी they know how to use it, how to operate it. I have seen people feeding their kids with the mobile, showing videos and all. बोले दिखाओ नहीं तो खाना नहीं खाते. Absolutely. Even I know many of them. So I agree to that. Entire world has, like people, everything has changed. But I must say that thanks to technology, that we can connect with people, connect with each other overseas also, because that is something very important. पहले ऐसे होता था कि जब तक हम मिले नहीं, even for the telephonic also conversation. But now because of the Zoom and these you can say the live sessions, what we've been doing, so it's almost like we've been talking to people. Yes, so this is something very... Yes, of course, it is something very nice. So now you have been like, it's a bliss that you are a part of my conversation, part from my interview. So I'm happy to be having you on the panel. Now, tell me something about you. Like, since you're my perfect woman, if I ask you who is your perfect woman in your life, who would be? First and foremost, without a blink, it's my mother. I agree to this. So something that you learned from her and you like to share, because कहते हैं ना, mom ki learnings are the best learnings in the world. She's the best teacher for everything. I learned everything from my mother. Today, whatever I am because of my mother. That's fantabulous. And mom ke baad mein aap, mom ke baad, it's my elder sister. Then there are a couple. Mom ke baad my elder sister. She's my lifeline. Okay, that's wonderful. So if she is the one, actually mother, yes, my mother, but my elder sister is my backbone. मैंने अपनी लाइफ में फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट सेविंग करना सीखा उनसे. She taught me
That's
how to save and how to secure your future, present में जीने के साथ साथ.
That's amazing. That's amazing. So Lamia ji, if I ask you who is Lamia, how would you describe yourself? Because the conversation is completely out of the box. I can see you very much family oriented. For you, the first priority is your loved ones, your surroundings.
Yes.
So if I ask you who is Lamia, then how would you describe yourself?
Well, then you see, आपके सवाल में आपका जवाब है कि yes, I'm a family oriented person. So what I am a very friendly person. I'm a very social person. I love to be, in between my loved ones. मेरी दुनिया ऐसे बहुत बड़ी है, लेकिन फिर ऐसे देखा जाए ना तो बहुत restricted है. There are a couple of names I can count on my fingertips. I love to be in between my friends, जिनको मैं बहुत अच्छे से जानती हूँ, जो मुझे बहुत अच्छे से जानते हैं, and I can spend, मैं days नहीं बोलूंगी, I can spend my entire life with them.
That's wonderful. That is amazing. So that we learn many things, like new generations are coming in, and when we see and when we talk to people like you who have been, you can say the entire world is surrounded with the sweetness. So this is the missing part in the new generation somewhere. I feel it's very important for us to be guiding and towards the same path. Since you are my perfect woman, and what is the one message for all the readers and viewers of Perfect Women?
Readers, again, it will come on positivity.
I agree to this.
I want everyone to think positively. Apna, vision open rakhiye. There is a lot of things I learned after my marriage. Alhamdulillah, I have very supportive in-law side also. My mother-in-law, I have learned a lot from her. My sister-in-law, then third generation, हमारे family के जो बच्चे आए हैं, like हम ये बोलते हैं आज के बच्चे digital है, but no, from the kids I have learned a lot. Like they know how to understand their caliber. उनको पता है हमारा पैशन क्या है और उसमें आगे कैसे बढ़ना है. And believe me, when I knew them, like 2 साल 3 साल हम assumption करते थे कि ये बच्चा तो यही करेगा, ये बच्चा तो यही करेगा, but नहीं, आज कोई engineer है, कोई architect है और कोई apart from an MBA baking cakes.
Yeah, because आज की generation के लिए बहुत सारे options ready हैं, unlike our time. या तो पहले होता था कॉमर्स या साइंस या आर्ट्स, पर अभी there is vast thing for all the people because कोई भी, because as we say that every child is creative, every child is talented, every child is talented, and there is a lot of options for these generations to get into. There are n number of things. Without any education also they can be at a peak. तो वो चीज पॉसिबल आज हो सकती है जो पहले शायद नहीं होती थी. पहले एजुकेशन यूज्ड टू प्ले द बिगर रोल और उसमें भी बहुत ही कम सिलेक्शंस हुए थे, और अभी बहुत कुछ है. BMS to BMM to आर्किटेक्ट, कुछ नहीं तो फोटोग्राफी है, कुछ नहीं तो बेकिंग है, कुकिंग है, एंड इवन द शेफ्स आर डूइंग सो वेल टुडे.
Yes, and यहाँ पे I will like to say कि it is all, I'm thankful to the technology, to the digital world. Like उन लोग के पास options available है. They know how to train themselves. They know how to learn. They know how to make their way through this digital platform.
Yes.
And your message to the perfect women you were asking. Coming back to that, see, one thing is very sure कि we should not limit ourselves. हम कभी सोचते हैं कि हमें यही बनना है या आगे हम यही बनेंगे, but if you ask me writing, I discovered myself, author तो शायद मैं आज बोल सकती हूँ अपने आप को, yes, I'm an author, but my writing journey started 3 years back. So almost reaching at the age of 40, I'm becoming an author. So age is not a limit.
Absolutely.
So this message I want to go across to all the women, all the perfect women, that don't restrict yourself for anything, for the age, for numbers, for your caliber, for your experience, for your education. You never know what you are educated and what you might end up doing.
So true. That's amazing.
Just let it flow.
Yes, of course. And this is the best thing. And thank you so much, Lamia ji, for joining me today and being my perfect woman. It was a wonderful thing. I can see the time is restricted, but yes, of course, it is always there. And I feel this should not be the first session with you. अभी बहुत जल्दी हम आपको वापस इंस्टा में भी लेकर आएंगे. So you will be having another blast again.
Inshallah,
And
inshallah.
yes, and thank you so
Inshallah.
much
I was
for
looking forward actually. I was actually looking forward to talk with you because आपके नाम से I thought कि you are a Gujarati.
yes, I'm Gujarati. Yes.
तो वो I had a broad smile because myself also I'm a Gujarati. I'm coming from Ahmedabad. So I thought I will start the conversation with a Gujarati.
Yes, of course.
I couldn't start with Kemcho.
That's wonderful to know about it. Definitely, we all
No,
are.
I couldn't start it with Kemcho, but I would love to end it with. True, but I will end it with keep in touch.
Yes, of course. Yes, of course. 100%. હવે બહુ જલ્દી પછી હવે મળીએ આપણે.